Weather and nature. Part 1. Social interaction. Question 1. Do you enjoy warm weather? Answer. I adore sunny days because they allow me to get out with friends or practice my favorite sport. With the wind blowing, it is much more pleasant. Sunny days are in some ways beneficial for cleaning both interior and exterior as well as laundry. Question 2. What do you enjoy doing on sunny days? Answer. I want to engage in outside activities in the sunshine, such as hanging out with friends or playing sports, particularly swimming. Or ILL seize the opportunity to go on a picture tour. When the sun is shining, everything is so clear and beautiful. Whether it's early in the morning or late in the afternoon, I can nearly always find inspiration when the sun is shining. Question 3. When the weather is excellent, do you prefer to stay indoors or venture outside? Answer. Probably depends on how I feel and how much work I have to do. Despite the pleasant weather, I cannot go out and have fun if I'm still busy with my job. No matter how bright the sun is shining or how chilly the weather is, I suppose most of the time I'd rather stay indoors unless I feel really inspired and active. Question 4. Does the weather in your hometown tend to be sunny? Answer. In our hometown, the sun would typically shine most of the time, whether for a single day or the entire year, unless it was our rainy season. Occasionally, the temperature increases to such an extent that it feels like burning. That's when people prefer staying indoors and enjoying the cool air produced by air conditioners. Question 5. Does it rain a lot where you live? When and where? Answer. Yes, of course. In the summer, when tropical storms hit our nation, it frequently rains. June, July, and August are the wettest months in the area, and the north often has more rainfall than the south. Question 6. Does it rarely in some areas of your country? Answer. I have no idea about this, to be quite honest. I could care less about geography and the amount of rain in my nation. I think the region with the most rivers and rainfall is in the north. Question 7. Does it frequently rain where you live? Answer. So, that depends on the time of year. Due to the dry weather, there is a lack of rain in the winter and spring. In contrast, it regularly pours with rain in the summer and in August, which is quite problematic for drivers. Part 2. Solution discussion. Situation. You are going to travel to London. There are 3 suggestions of when to go there: spring, summer, and winter. Which one would you choose? Answer. Well, I enjoy traveling a lot. If I had to pick a season to visit London, I would travel in the summer. This choice has many justifications. First and foremost, I enjoy a long summer vacation which allows me to travel extensively. My 3-month summer break allows me to take 1 month off. I will get a fantastic opportunity to explore London's unique beauty and attractions. I'll also sample some local cuisine here. Additionally, summer is the best season for traveling. I'm going to various beaches to take in the fresh air. Additionally, I enjoy swimming. Swimming in the early morning or late afternoon will be excellent. A different intriguing notion is to stroll down the beach at night and take in the tranquility. In the evenings throughout the summer, London is incredibly cool and fresh. I believe that London is a little bit muggy and damp in the spring. As a result, if I visit London in the spring and it rains, I will be unable to see famous sights. Additionally, I have a class at that time that I must attend. Because winter in London is so bitterly cold, I don't enjoy it. I can feel the effects of the cold. Perhaps there is snow in London. I just wanted to sleep in and eat my favorite things at that time. I've concluded that summer is the best season for me. Part 3. Topic development. Topic. Climate change brings a lot of negative effects. Answer. Climate change is a severe issue that affects the entire planet and has a number of negative consequences. First, weather patterns are becoming more unpredictable anywhere in the world today. The amount of rainfall and temperature are increasing. Around the world, there are numerous floods, storms, and droughts. Extreme weather patterns have escalated to natural disasters, which have resulted in the death of people, animals, and plants. The constantly shifting weather conditions have caused considerable harm to migrate animals. Second, animals in the wild are migrating north and south of the equator in search of more hospitable environments. Those who cannot adapt to climatic change are wiped off. In fact, it's thought that over 1 million species have vanished. Thirdly, people's health is significantly affected by alterations in weather patterns and the destabilization of the natural environment. Due to unfavorable living conditions, new illnesses including cancer and infections have emerged, which result in millions of deaths each year. In conclusion, climate change has a number of negative effects on life on Earth, so we must take action to stop it.